So when we think of time, we think of our perception of it. But if you look at it another way, it is the interaction of bodies. See, we are orbiting the sun, and we're orbiting something else. Something is pushing or pulling us in some direction. And that's probably why the universe has a left-handed spin. Now, Kozyrev found that this time can be manipulated. So we have a sliding block on an incline. If you manipulate it, and I'm going to talk about how to do that next, there's a wide variety of ways. You manipulate it while it's in a vacuum, at least. It's force times acceleration, right? It's down the incline and the friction. But the acceleration, the time component of the acceleration, that is the variable. So now, some ways to change the time dimension, supposedly, according to Kozyrev, start a motor by something. That slows the time down. If you heat or cool something, it does the opposite. If you put right-handed molecules, chirality, around an object, none of this will change. But if you put left-handed molecules around he typically uses a torsion balance or a gyroscope on vibrations. If you use left-handed shielding, it will amplify it. And some of these things supposedly can even alter other systems within the vacuum. You can get these effects through a concrete wall, supposedly. What type of concrete? Now, my theory is that it is the spin of the molecule, or of the particle, but wait. If you're getting more and more left-handed spin, it should change the time less and less. But don't get confused. Anyways, so you have these systems where something not spinning doesn't have any effect. And the biggest effect is gravity at our scale. But here's the kicker. If we can induce Kozyrev radiation because this cosmic web is affecting all the matter, then we can use this radiation on chemical reactions, probably in a vacuum, to induce creation of electroweak and nuclear and gravitational matter. Remember, that stuff is going to be really dangerous.